Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we got the epic evolution, Eoraptor versus Stegouros. Yep, it's brand new. We're gonna check it out and we're going to compare to Dominion's Lystrosaurus and a Velociraptor Gamma. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's open it up. There's a little dent on that, but that's okay. It's kind of damaged when I got it. So it has the symbol of a rainforest right there. So I've never heard of an Eoraptor before, but the Stegouros sounds familiar. It looks like an Ankylosaurid, a smaller version of the Ankylosaurus, or relative to them. Okay, so here we are. Maybe next we'll do the Velociraptor. Or the Pulposaurus. We have it downstairs. We're done with the Plesiosaurus. This was our first review from Epic Evolution. Okay. I'm still anticipating for the Caprosuchus and the Tujangosaurus. I'm waiting for those. Okay, so let's open it up. First things first, we're gonna do the Eoraptor. Alright, let's take him out. So, the hands looks like it's got 4 fingers. I don't know what these are. These horns or quills. It has a red eye. Red dots, how they painted it. Okay. Let's just check the scanny DNA. Alright, let's compare it to Gamma. Okay. What's wrong with the focus here? So, I think they have the same size. Yep, pretty much the same size. Definitely the same size. They just updated it. I see. Okay. And go. Alright, now let's go for Stegouros. Let's check out this guy. Okay. Really tiny guy here. It has, let's check out the beak on this guy. It has I don't know what these are. Are these spikes or just plates like a Stegosaurus black plates? So there's the scan DNA. Let's compare to the Lystrosaurus now. So the Lystrosaurus, it seems to be bigger. It has a bigger body, bigger head. Let's check the length. Okay, the Stegouros is longer. Yep. So yeah, there you have it. Let's check them both. So these guys don't have any variants yet. It is their debut from Epic Evolution. So maybe in the future they'll make more of these variants. So yeah, that's pretty much it then. Alright guys. Before I say goodbye, I'd like to say thank you for the subscribes, and don't forget to click that like button. Thanks again guys. We'll see you in the next video. We're probably gonna do a Beast of the Mesozoic or a custom hybrid. Alright, well, till next time again. Thanks again guys. Bye.